Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato Gajar soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients like ripe tomatoes and sweet carrots. Wash, peel, and chop them into manageable pieces. Then, in a pot, gently sauté aromatics such as onion and garlic until they are softened. This step builds a flavorful base for your delicious soup. Once your aromatics are ready, add the chopped tomatoes and carrots to the pot. Pour in water or vegetable broth, then bring it to a simmer. Cook until all the vegetables are fork tender, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Next, carefully blend the mixture until it becomes wonderfully smooth and creamy. Quick recommendation: just like a good soup warms your soul, good socks warm your feet. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it. And on another note, life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After blending, strain your soup through a fine mesh sieve to achieve that perfect silky texture. Return the smooth soup to the pot and gently reheat it. Now is the time to adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your liking. For extra richness, stir in a touch of cream or butter. Serve hot and garnish with fresh herbs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.